Hi folks, this is Murtaza here, and in this video I have something cool to share with you, okay? And that is I'll be showing you all the how to set up your own cash pulling machine, okay? What are the cash magnets, the components that you need on your website so that it keeps pulling in sales and profits all day long, even when you leave it, okay? When you leave it and it keeps making money for you. So what are the components that you really need on your website to build your online business? I'll be giving you a structure of my own website and what all is included on my website so that you know exactly what all is required. Okay, so let's get started. And these are the components which I focus in building on my as well as my own multi-million-dollar clients whom I work with. So this is a very valuable information that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so let's get started. So I'll be showing you the cash magnets required. Okay, so it's a cool name, cash magnets. Okay, cash magnets required to build your online business. Okay, so let's say this is your website. This is the structure of your website. Okay, this is the header image, You'll have to build a header image that actually displays the name of your company or your website. Then the second thing you will require is this is a left navigation on your website. Okay, so here you will be including your squeeze page, a small version of your squeeze page where you'll be asking people to enter their name and email address. Okay, so I include my squeeze page on the left hand side. Okay, then basically this what you'll be creating will be a WordPress blog. Okay, here you will be having your articles or videos. In my case, I mostly tend to post in videos, so these are the videos on your blog that you keep publishing, okay, to share with your visitors. And then you also have articles on your website. Okay, I do create articles for my website, so you have articles written. So the next is a WordPress blog. Next component you need is videos, then you need articles. Okay, then you have something called categories. Okay, so this will actually bifurcate your website into a silo structure. Okay, if you don't know what is exactly a silo structure, I teach it in my training program, where you actually structure all the pages of your website into a tree and category and subcategory format. That's called a silo structure, and when you do that, it actually helps you in getting traffic from hundreds of keywords to your website. Okay, so you have all the different categories and you actually organized all your articles into a what do you call as silo structure. It looks something like this. Okay, these are all the pages that you build on your website. Okay, it looks something like this. So these are the actual structure of the way in which your pages are structured. Trying to make it a bit fancy so you understand. The same it goes, it keeps going down. So this is how a silo structure is created. Then you need, okay, within your articles and content, again within your content, the individual pages of your website, again you need a squeeze page. Okay, you need squeeze page so that you have every chance of getting leads on your website. Then you will require a pop-up. That's a pop-up. Okay, again that pop-up can include a squeeze page or probably some product offer. Then you will require a tracking system. Let's say your website, this is an image, okay, this is a tracking image that is built on your website so that it tracks the number of visitors that come to your website. So you require an ad. Tracking system. Okay, now you require is let me think if I'm missing something. Squeeze page, categories. Okay, then you require something called as tags. Tags are basically keywords on individual pages of your website, and WordPress actually creates individual pages based on the keywords that you put on each of the pages. So your keywords basically include the main keywords and the related terms. This is the strategy which I follow to do search engine optimization for my websites as well as my clients' websites. Okay, so it includes hundreds of keywords. Okay, these tags include, and there are individual pages created, and on these pages specific blog posts are posted based on the individual keywords. Okay, so that is what you require. The next thing you require is WordPress squeeze page, video articles, pseudo structure, squeeze page. Okay, we missed out a very important thing, that is autoresponder. It's getting messed up. Autoresponder, that will automate your follow-up email campaign. Okay, so this is also this is one of the most important part, okay, of an autoresponder that will actually automate your entire internet business, and this will give you the most conversion if you use it right, because your entire follow-up email marketing system works on this autoresponder. Yeah, that is what you will need. And then probably you will require in many cases okay, so you will require a products page. Okay, you will require a products page that will display all the products that you have created. Okay, and then you might also require a page that displays more information about your coaching if you have a coaching program. Okay, then another component you require is probably a survey page or email counseling page. Email counseling, this is one of the very powerful conversion tools where actually you go about creating a survey or an email counseling setup where you help people and help to solve their problems in an automated way. So this is one of the, actually it takes a training on its own, but basically what happens is it takes survey from your clients, it sends you the survey, and it gives an automatic response to your client based on their survey, based on the survey that they have taken, based on their problems, and that automatic response is shooted to them using an autoresponder system. Okay, and for many clients, I've even created a page called everything is jumbled up, so let's go here. I even set up something called telephone counseling session where people actually give their contact numbers. And then the concerned person calls them up, gives them some good content information, and then they try to close the sale. Okay, so you get the contact numbers out here. Okay, then you can even, then I've also included something called a slider. A slider is an image slider. Okay, it's known as image slider, so I'll just include it. A slider is an image, it keeps changing images. Okay, so I'll just right here, slider, IDER, slider. That is an image slider. So image slider, basically what happens is that it keeps changing new images, it keeps giving new images, and the most important aspect, conversion aspect, is that you can continue rotating new images on your website, and you can have the first image linking to your squeeze page. You give some good information about your squeeze page and you can link there. The second image can link to one of your products, the third image can link to one of the squeeze pages again. So you can have all the important pages of your website linked to those images, and it keeps rotating. Okay, so it even looks good, and secondly it helps in boosting conversions because the clickability rate of that is pretty high. Okay, so this is the entire machine that actually works. Okay, and on top of this there are other systems that you require to build. Example, for products, where's the product section? Okay, this product section will again require its own sales funnel setup. Okay, where you have a complete built-in sales funnel for your products. An autoresponder will have its own system required called list segmentation, where you actually segment your subscribers into different lists based on their problems. Okay, so this is basically a very complicated system that I have given you, and this is the exact system which I set up on my website and my clients' websites. Okay, so if you and these are called cash magnets. I call them as cash magnets because once you have all these things in place, then it keeps working for you even if you don't work. Okay, it keeps working for you. It works automatically because this system drives traffic. The SEO part and the silo structure part drives traffic to your website, and all the other systems keep converting your website visitors into sales. Okay, they help in doing conversions. And another part is the external part that you will require is you have to submit your articles, okay, at various places. So these are the articles that you have submitted at various places on the internet through submission systems, and all these links are coming back to your website. Okay, these links are pointing back to your website. Okay, so these are all the content that you have distributed at various places, the content, videos and everything you have distributed at several places, and all these places are sending traffic to your website. So here you get an advantage of link building, and you get search engine traffic. Okay, that is what you need. And for this you also need probably submission systems. You must have submission systems in place, okay, to get in links to your website. So this is one of the most complicated flowcharts which I have ever made, and basically these are all the things which I actually put on my website to make sure that each one of them work very hard for me and make me profits and make me sales. Okay, and I want you to do the same. And if you want my help in creating this stuff for you, then click the link right below this video, and I'll give you more information about my coaching program where I and my team will help you out one-on-one in building your online business, in setting all this up, most of the stuff up. Okay, we will be helping you out in getting all this in place in the next 12 months, and so that you don't have to actually pull your hair to get all this in place. Okay, so this is not a very easy stuff. Okay, it has taken me 10 years to learn how to put all this in place and make them work the way it should work. Okay, so it's not a easy process that you can figure it out in a day. And if you need my help, click on the link right below, and I'll see you at the other end. So with this, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. You have got great value out of it. With this, I'll end up this video, and have a great day. Goodbye.